Understanding maps. Main points. Maps and their types. Elements of a map. Maps. A map is a drawing of the earth or its part on a flat surface or paper. Maps are drawn according to a scale. We can see different things like continents and oceans, countries, states, rivers, mountains, etc. on a map. We can also find out the boundaries of continents, countries, states, etc. We can also get some information like rainfall, agricultural production, climate, soil, minerals, etc. on a map. A map can be of different sizes and it can be easily carried to another place. Maps are useful for sailors, pilots, persons at a new place, etc. Types of maps. Maps are of three types: physical, political, and thematic. Physical maps. Maps that are drawn to show the natural features like mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, rivers, seas and oceans, lakes, etc. are called physical maps. Political maps. Maps that show villages, towns, cities, states, countries, etc. with their boundaries are called political maps. Physical map of India. Political map of India. Thematic maps. Some maps are drawn to show special things like rainfall, agriculture, forests, soil type, minerals, industries, etc. These maps are called thematic maps. Do you know it? A book of maps is called an atlas. A person who draws a map is called a cartographer. Elements of a map. A map has some basic elements which help readers in reading map. These includes the scale, directions, signs, symbols and colors, and a key or legend. Scale of a map. A map is smaller than the area shown on it. It is not possible to show actual distance of two places on a map. So a cartographer has to give a reduced distance on a map. It is in ratio of actual distance. This is called a scale. So the scale of map shows the ratio between the actual distance on land and the distance on a map. The scale is written as 1 cm is equal to 100 km. If the distance between two places is 400 km, it will be shown on a map as 4 cm. It is shown on a map as a ruler. Do you know it? If no scale is used in a map, it is called a sketch. Direction. North, south, east and west are four major directions. These are called cardinal directions also. On a map, north is shown by an arrow towards the top. When we stand in front of the rising sun, our face is towards the east, our back is towards the west, our left hand is towards the north, and our right hand is towards the south. The sun and directions. Intermediate directions. Between two cardinal directions, there is one intermediate direction. So, northeast, NE is between north and east. Southeast, SE is between south and east. Southwest, SW is between south and west, and northwest, NW is between north and west. Do you know it? A sailor keeps a compass to see directions. A compass has a magnet that always stays in north-south direction. Signs, symbols, and colors. A map has very small space on it. It is not possible to write the names of all features on a map. So, we use different signs and symbols on map to show them. These are given here. Different colors are used to show different features. For example, blue is used for showing water bodies, green is used for showing plains, yellow is used for showing deserts, and brown is used for showing mountains and plateaus. Key or legend. There is a key or legend on a map which is a key to understand different signs, symbols, and colors. These are shown in a table. Signs, symbols, or color are given on the left side of the table and their meaning is on the right of them. Map key or legend. A map key or legend shows the meaning of the symbols used on the map. Valued facts. A compass is very important for a pilot or a sailor. Awesome fact. Water is colorless, but it is shown as blue. Let's learn new words. Thematic. Based on a subject like rainfall, crops, minerals, industries, etc. Key or legend. Meaning of some signs, symbols, and colors on a map. Let's remember. A map is a drawing of the earth or its part on a flat surface or paper. There are 3 types of maps: physical, political, and thematic. A map has some elements like scale, directions, signs, symbols, colors, and a key or legend. These help the reader in reading maps.